from the director of What Time Is It There, and winner of the Berlin Film Festival's Silver Bear Award and the Chicago Film Festival's Silver Hugo Award, comes the film the Chicago Reader gave 4 stars. A masterpiece, terrifying and beautiful. One family, 3 lives, bound together and torn asunder by the river. They can flow freely or stagnate, rise to the surface or sink to the murky depths. Because life is like a river. The further we travel down, the dirtier it gets. The River. The film that's been called powerfully disturbing and a future classic. Excellent and beautifully shot, said the New York Times. From acclaimed director Tsai Ming Liang and starring Li Kang Sheng. The River, only from Wellspring.